Welcome to TBK Career Point. So here is internship opportunity from the Google company. Software engineering internship, winter internship 2025. Location Bangalore and Hyderabad. So you can see here the description or in winter internships will start in January 2025 and it will be 22 to 24 weeks in duration. The internship is intended for students who are pursuing the final year in bachelor's, master's or dual degree program in computer science or related field. You will graduate in 2025. To start the application process, you will need a updated CV or resume and a current unofficial or official transcript in English. So this is the information. Bangalore and Hyderabad location. Minimum qualifications they have mentioned. Experience in coding one or more languages, C, C++, Java, JavaScript, Python or similar. So if you are interested to apply for this opportunity and the expected stipend or internship amount is around 1.2 lakh per month. Interested students can apply for it and share to all your friends and like the video for better reach. Thank you.